Rabblings, it's your girl Leah here. And right now, my day for drop a hot mix-up. Tell me, what would you do? Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.
Yeah, man, that's right. The peer scapegoating go on in the JCF. Peer scapegoating, because some man know who me see about them are this and them are that. Don't know A from Bullfoot. Don't know nothing. And the police them on the ground and them are make the impact. Right? And it is so sad. So sad. Very rare one officer get shot. Very rare one officer get shot. Because the officers who will lead, them don't want them lead. Them don't want them lead.
Jalux, it was the operation as such. The local youth were dead. When they say deport him, is neither deport him, it is neither a marine soldier, ex-marine soldier neither. The youth come from out of Central Village. Him affiliated with Archer, that's one soldier when they are one long time, years now. But because I'm banished from the Maliko youth, his mother take him a foreign, which his mother and Mr. Clooney used to be friends. Through the period of foreign, we get to understand say the boy must even get bad and the mama send him back down since he's big, make him come back down since he's my big man, being as my big man. So he get deported under the care of Mr. Clooney. So the mother and Mr. Clooney still a link. So it's like Clooney a collect protection money for him, to protect him, but the boy come back to Central Village and start in foolishness. Me say Mr. Clooney must go back out there for youth. Tell him say to stop him foolishness. So after I tell him to stop him fuck around, the youth must left. He must encourage the youth to left from there. So. And that's how the youth come on. He may leave a Valdez Road first. Get one girl on Valdez Road pregnant. And the girl leave from there. So because the girl family have one shop in Horizon Park. So the boy left from there and go over Horizon Park and start run the shop. And one gambling place. So they used to collect money from the youth. And which Clooney still a collect protection money from the mama foreign. Because of the whole incident out at Central Village, the youth are shot out there. They may want to return turf down, but Clooney intervene, if you don't understand what I say. And tell him say if he stop him fuckery and if he leave out of the place. So also come back a Spanish Town. Kind of mix up. Operation launched down for him, the youth. And Clooney stand it down. The operation was supposed to go on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and Clooney stand it down. After Clooney stand it down now, the Thursday, Friday morning early, him decides him to go for the youth. If you get youth go on Monday, bro. So it's not like it's an operation of which the operation was for capture him or something like that. Them say the police intel must say the youth a move gun from Central Village if you come over. So come the main one intervene on Wednesday night into Thursday morning or Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. When it didn't stand down. So when him go to the yard and Clooney them go to the yard now, it was like an operation as in operation. And it was an operation. If we go for the youth, we carry him out, we move him out from which part him there for go. Or maybe if you tell him say he out in hand and so if he take away himself, whatever. So he move in, when police are moving now, I so come the phone call make and boy get ready with gunshot. So come meet up in a gunshot, so to speak. But he come like him and call you and tell you say I come for him just left and come for you in the early morning if you move him out in the early morning, brother.
Exactly, my friend. Clooney lead the youth, them and all. Even the Federation man have come out and come defend, but no information. And where him there? Where him come from? Where row here? Where row no? Where row no? Eh? Pan the report at 20 and man them put all pan the breakdown when me are here. Cause them think so anything can hide in these days. Clooney carry the two youth, them go kill them off and make them go away. Right? Carry the two youth, them go kill them off. Right? And he must be held responsible. Because just like if it had gone down properly, he would have gotten the commendation and the praise. So he must be held responsible. But just because he is responsible for the ESM over here, they do not want to say the ESM failed. Because Clooney is not a leader of men. He's not a leader of men. He has a lot of ego. And truth be told, he and the commander, the St. Catherine North commander, do not have a good relationship. They do not have a good relationship because him come here, him take vehicles him like, him do this, him do that. They do not have a good relationship. So he did not want St. Catherine North to get any credit if the operation went well. That is the thing, right? And we need to stop sacrificing our men and women for leaders who are not leading. And I am so sorry because I have heard pure good thing about Biggs. I hear that young police is such a stalwart, right? He's such a good youth who love the work. Them say as you call him, he run down, look back everywhere. The youth gets so much intelligence according to him here, right? And the youth gonna lose him life, right? But the youth gonna lose him life. 7 men more than can cardinal any house because of 4 corners of house have, right? 4 corners of house have, right? So 7 men can cardinal any house. Let me tell you, man, let me tell you. We, Watson, know, because Watson a street, man. When we are going for operation, we don't need no bagger, man. We just need 4 or 5 proper, man. We understand themselves, right? You just want to know, so you have rounds, you have your information, and you have light, and you have communication. 5 o'clock in the morning, are right there, right? And you hold your own. Most time, you know, the bagger police don't even work out. But I know anybody can lead, and some of the man them don't understand that. I know everybody can lead, I know everybody make for this. A few are we make for this. A few are we make for war. And everybody make for the war. A few are we make for this. Right? And what the force need to do is to learn from this. Learn if we not go for an operation like that, we are to expected some man have good. Make the man that who are going to have a proper vest and helmet too. And that me I tell you. Because because you're trained that once you have reason to stop a vehicle or have reason, don't fi check a house, expect anything. So there can be nothing unexpected. Right? No gray area. Can you expect anything? You are expecting say the man him have
Hey Rabblings, it's your girl Leah here. And right now, my day for drop a hot mix up. Tell me what would you do? Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.